Dear students, we can continue with the borders of kidney. So each of the kidney is having two borders, medial border and lateral border. So here it is a medial border and this is the lateral border, and in the medial border, the nearer to the upper and lower pole of the kidney, the medial border is having convex shape. Okay, then on the middle part of the medial border at a hilum, the medial border is concave in shape, but on the lateral border, throughout the lateral border is the convex. All the lateral border is convex in shape. കിഡ്നിയുടെ മീഡിയൽ ബോർഡറിൽ അപ്പർ പോളും ലോവർ പോളിനും നിയറർ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന മീഡിയൽ ബോർഡേഴ്സ് കോൺവെക്സ് ഷേപ്പാണ്. പക്ഷെ മീഡിയൽ ബോർഡറിൻ്റെ മിഡിലായിട്ടാണ് ഹൈലം വരുന്നത്. അവിടെ മാത്രം ഒരു കേവ് പോലെയാണ്, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് കോൺകേവ്. Then regarding the lateral border of each kidney is convex. Then hilum. Hilum means the medial border of kidney present a deep vertical slit called the hilum. We have seen that. Then it transmits from before backward the following structures. So some of the parts or some of the features enters through this hilum from before backward, that is renal vein, renal artery, renal pelvis, subsidiary branch of renal artery, lymphatics and nerves. So from before to backward, the structures are renal veins, renal artery, renal pelvis, subsidiary branch of renal artery, lymphatics and nerves. So next we can discuss regarding relations of the kidney. So there are anterior relations and each of the parts having relations. First we can see the anterior relations of the kidney. So anteriorly the kidney is related to right suprarenal gland. It is not the relations of the kidney, it is the relations of hilum. Hilum of each kidney is related to the right suprarenal gland, then right lobe of the liver, second part of the duodenum, hepatic or right colic flexure, then jejunum. And out of these structures, liver and jejunum are separated from the kidney by peritoneum. Okay, so these all are the anterior relations of the hilum. Then anterior surface, relations of anterior surface are left suprarenal gland, then spleen, stomach, pancreas and splenic vessels, left colic flexure, jejunum. And out of these structures, stomach, spleen and jejunum are separated from the kidney by peritoneum. So there is a separation for the stomach, spleen and jejunum from the kidney, which is peritoneum. So these are the relations of the anterior surface of the kidney. Then posterior relations. Posterior relation means posterior surface of the kidney is related to the so the posterior relations are of both kidneys, that is left and right kidneys are same, except that the right kidney is related to one rib while the left kidney is related to two ribs. Our right kidney is related to only one rib, but the left kidney is related to two ribs. That is the difference, but all the other relations are same for both kidneys. So the relations are first one, four muscles. Both of the kidneys are related to four muscles, which are diaphragm, then quadratus lumborum, psoas major and transverse abdominis. So these are the four muscles, diaphragm, quadratus lumborum, psoas major and transverse abdominis. Then it is also related to three nerves, subcostal nerve, T12, then oleohypogastric nerve or L1 and ilioinguinal. So these are the three nerves. Then one or two ribs, that is the right kidney is related to 12th rib whereas the left kidney is related to 11th and 12th rib, because the right kidney is located just below than the level of left kidney. So the right kidney is only related to one rib, that is the 12th rib, but the left kidney is related to both two ribs, that is 11th and 12th ribs. The next is regarding coverings of the kidney, or we can also said as capsule of kidney. Okay, so from within outwards, the kidney is surrounded by 4 capsules. There are 4 coverings for each kidney. First one, a fibrous capsule or a true capsule, then perirenal or perinephric fat, then renal fascia or renal capsule, pararenal or paranephric fat. So which are the 4 coverings of the kidney? Fibrous capsule or true capsule, perirenal or perinephric fat, renal fascia or renal capsule, pararenal or paranephric fat. First one, we can discuss in detail regarding fibrous capsule or true capsule. So it is a thin membrane which closely involves the kidney. Okay, so the fibrous capsule is a thin membrane that closely involves the kidney, and that thin membrane is formed by the condensation of fibrous connective tissue in the peripheral part of the organ. So that fibrous capsule is formed due to the condensation of fibrous connective tissue in the peripheral part of the kidney. Kidneyയുടെ peripheral പാർട്ടിലുള്ള fibrous connective tissue condensate ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് fibrous capsule form ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Hilum to line the renal sinus and become continuous with the walls of calyces where they are attached within the kidney. So through the hilum, this fibrous capsule enters into the kidney, and that fibrous capsule line the renal sinuses, and also it continues with the walls of calyces. Okay, so ഈ ഫൈബ്രസ് ക്യാപ്സ്യൂള് തിൻ മെംബ്രെയിൻ ഹൈലറ്റിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കിഡ്നിയുടെ റീനൽ സൈനസസിനെ കവർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓൾസോ അത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. എങ്ങനെ? നമ്മളുടെ റീനൽ കാലിസസിൻ്റെ വോൾസ് ആയിട്ടും കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. The next is regarding perirenal or perinephric fat. So perinephric fat means it is the layer of adipose tissue surrounding the tissue capsule of the kidney. So perirenal or perinephric fat means it is a layer of adipose tissue surrounding the tissue capsule of the kidney. Then it fills the space inside the loosely fitting sheath of the renal fascia enclosing the kidney and suprarenal glands. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പെരിറീനൽ ഫാറ്റ് എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കിഡ്നിയുടെ ഇൻസൈഡിലുള്ള ലൂസ്ലി ഫിറ്റിംഗ് ഷീത്ത് ഉണ്ടാവും, അതിനെ ഒക്കെ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ആ ഗ്യാപ്പൊക്കെ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ലൂസ്ലി ഫില്ലിങ് മാറ്റുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഈ പെരിറീനൽ ഫാറ്റിൻ്റെ ഫങ്ഷൻ. The next is renal fascia or renal false capsule. Then it is a fibroareolar sheath which surrounds the kidney and perirenal fat ennaanu paranju. So renal fascia is nothing but it is the covering of the perirenal fat, and that is a fibroareolar sheath. And it consists of 2 layers, an ill-defined anterior layer or fascia of Tolt and a well-defined posterior layer, that means fascia of Zucker-Canton. So these are the 2 layers consisted in renal fascia. First one, an ill-defined anterior layer or fascia of Tolt and a well-defined posterior layer or fascia of Zuckerland. Then extensions of the kidney. Superiorly, the 2 layers first enclose the suprarenal glands in separate compartment and then fuse with each other and become continuous with the diaphragmatic fascia. So on the superior portion of each kidney, the 2 layers first encloses the suprarenal gland. The 2 layers of the kidneys enclose the suprarenal gland.